Dear students, welcome to the lecture. This is 6th class SST book Know Your World, written by Khatija Chagla Beg, and I'm your teacher. My name is Miss Ifra. Now kindly come to the chapter number 2, that is the Indus Valley Civilization and the Aryans. Children, please come to page number 5. Here children, you can see the name of the chapter, the Indus Valley Civilization and the Aryans. Now children, first I'll read the paragraph and then I'll explain it to you people so that you may understand what is given in the lesson, and after reading this lesson you'll come to know that which was the ever first civilization of the world and what were their features. Now come to the text children. Location. The people of the Indus Valley are believed to have been the first known settlers on the subcontinent. The earliest traces of human settlements in this area have been found at Mehergarh, a city in Balochistan. Archaeologists think these small elementary settlements are from around 7000 BCE. Children, BCE stands for Before Common Era. Okay, BCE stands for Before Common Era. Little is known about the lifestyle and culture of these people. The next phase of life in this region is found in the ancient cities of Mohenjo-daro and Kot Deji in Sindh and Harappa in the Punjab, which date back to around 2500 BCE. Remains show that by this time an advanced civilization which developed cities was flourishing in this area. The Indus Valley civilization seems to have been located initially along the banks of the ancient river Saraswati, which later changed its course and dried up. From there, towns and cities spread to other parts of the subcontinent, especially around the river Indus and its tributaries. The Indus Valley civilization stretched from Afghanistan along the Kabul River as far as the Indian Punjab. Here, dear students, you can see you are given with a map. Here you can locate Afghanistan, Tibet, and you can point out the civilization, the first civilization of this world, Mehergarh. You can also see Harappa, which is near Satluj river, and then Indus, and then you can locate Mohenjo-daro, and you can also see Thar Desert, and then this is Lothal. So here some of the areas are given you so that you can better understand the location of those areas. And here are few pictures. These are things made up of clay. These are the things which were found from the Indus Valley civilization, and then you can see figures also. These were also found from the Indus Valley civilization.